So this is the eyeball. Light enters through the cornea and the pupil and the lens, and the iris will contract the pupil to control the amount of light getting through, and then the cornea and lens will project light to the retina and bend the light to protect an image. And in the retina, there's photoreceptors that are triggered by the light, and those are the cones and rods, and then that will excite the bipolar cells, which excites the ganglion cells, which it forms the optic nerve. And then the optic nerve, this is also the fovea centralis, where light is focused on that central point. That's where your main view of vision is. And there's also a blind spot, which is where no photoreceptors are, and it's the hole where the optic nerve comes through. And then the optic nerve will probably meet up with the other eyeball's optic nerve in the optic chiasm. And then from there, it'll go to the thalamus first, and then it will go to the occipital lobe, where the visual cortex is, and that information, there will be feature detectors there, where it can portray an object or face, and it'll be able to detect, perceive what that face is. And then the trichromatic theory is the idea where the retina has red, green, and blue color receptors, which produce an image, perception of an image, when they're all stimulated at the same time. And then the opponent process theory is where opposing retinal processes will enable color vision, and the neurons will be stimulated by certain light waves coming through when the opposite colors are stimulated. Yeah.